Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 S line Contrast Edition. This striking vehicle comes finished in Python yellow and comes fitted with the 1.5 litre TFSI petrol engine and S-tronic automatic gearbox. This allows you to push 150 PS. This A1 is also ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish without risk of fees or fines to pay. To the front of the vehicle is a set of darkened LED headlights. These are designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter your driving conditions. This vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch alloy wheels in a black and gloss tone finish. These beautifully contrast against the yellow paintwork of the vehicle, adding to the modern look. The rear windows are fitted with privacy glass that not only enhances your privacy within the vehicle, but also adds to the sleek modern exterior finishes. To the rear, you'll find a set of rear parking sensors. These allow you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle, no matter how tight the space. Opening up the tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space for anything you may wish to take upon your travels, despite the smaller size of the vehicle. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats. The outer of these come fitted with Isofix, allowing you to easily install children's car seats into your vehicle. This vehicle also comes with a cup holder in the back, perfect for holding your drinks. The seats are manually adjustable, allowing you to sit in perfect comfort no matter the journey. They also come with the sporty S logo embossing. The cabin is fitted with charging points, which allow you to easily stay connected whilst on the move. This vehicle also comes with manual air conditioning, which allows you to easily adjust the temperature within the vehicle to your liking, no matter the weather outside. This vehicle comes with an MMI touchscreen, which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity, which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, alongside a shortcut to your vehicle's settings, allowing you to adjust your parking aid and lights and vision settings whilst on the move. In front of the driver is the multifunction steering wheel, which allows you to control the music, cruise control, and your digital cockpit. Here you'll be able to see information about your car, your phone connectivity, and your media connection. That concludes our 360 walk around this Audi A1 S-Line Contrast Edition. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.